Hey, Oliver. Hey there.
Yes. I'm a flower grabber.
Hey, Felix. How are you? We're having a little bit of fun here. All right, we're going through the back door now.
Ow!
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Going through the back door. Hope nobody's coming the other way. And there's the cornfield. How are you, Felix?
Good. Not like anyone. Not that anyone usually would come through. Ha! I caught a branch.
Alright, coming up.
Oh, what? Poisonberry landed in the car. Yeah, there's trouble. Everything's coming to me.
Alright, coming over to the farm here. Little pond, a bridge, barn. There's the bridge. See the bridge?
I want to have more of a drive.
You want to have more of a drive?
Yeah, like out in the cow field on the hill jump.
Oh, let's go out to the cow field. That would be a nice idea. There's the guest house and cottage. And one of the barns. And a little corral.
What's a corral?
And my father's garden. And the orchard beyond. Oh, and there's Daryl cutting the grass down there. See him right there? Some of the grapes.
See Daryl.
Oh, some of the cows out there.
Let's go out to show everybody the pond.
See the blue shot? Is Mom out by the pool?
No.
No. Can we go up by the tennis court?
Not yet. First hill jump.
Oh, let's go over this way first.
Oh, fine.
Oh, fine.
At least you'll still
There's the road continuing. Woo. And up the hill.
Let's go through over there.
At the bottom of the field?
Yeah. Oh, yellow butterfly.
Where?
Like somewhere over here. Stop by the pond before the hill jump.
You don't want to say hi to the cows first?
Daryl! Daryl! Hi, Daryl! Hi, Daryl! You can't hear us. What's the brown?
Right behind you, Felix.
I don't know. What's the brown and white one called again?
Guernsey.
There's the Guernsey.
Guernsey, Holstein, and Jersey.
Where's the Guernsey? Right there, brown and white. Hi, Guernsey.
female. They're all pregnant.
I'm in Guernsey. Bye, Guernsey and Colsey. Guernsey and Jersey are my favorite. Guernseys are my only favorite.
What do you think about the hill jump?
Time for a hill jump. Okay, now it's time to go to the pond. Stop by the gate of the pond, because I have to do something. Stop by the gate of the pond, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to try something. I'll hop back in. Oh. Okay, right here, right there. Right there.
What are you doing? Oh, it's on. That one will bring you to your knees. What?
Not on. How can you tell if it's on? How can you tell if it's on?
Only if you lick it.
No. How can you tell? Aha! This is something that would prove that it's on. Something metal.
This is Felix paddling on the pond at the farm, paddling for the very first time. And where are we? We're in July 2007, so he's 5.5, paddling away. And it's a slightly overcast day here at the farm. He also swam from the rope swing to the beach, or really from the beach to the rope swing, and back, and then again, because he wanted to race me in the kayak.
Didn't get it crash me. Stop. Buddy bump, buddy bump, bump, bump. So let's put the meat in the body.
That's a good idea. Hold on. Hello. What?
I said Ivy.
Take a look at what?
Our igloo, our teepee.
Oh, you have to cross the bridge. You two could go across. What did you say?
Can I see?
And we're here. Alright, here we are on the front door, regular approach. Get in here. Our neighbor's place. There. That one?